I'm going to show you how to configure PixieBot to fix your Sonar issues. This is a GitHub repository with Sonar installed. Sonar has found thousands of issues for your team to clean as you code, and it would be helpful if someone could fix these issues rule by rule, and that's exactly what PixieBot does. PixieBot is a GitHub app that fixes security, performance, and other issues by sending you PRs. It's easy to install. After I install it on my personal account, I can select which repositories to use PixieBot on. I'll use it just on the repo that we were looking at. I just click to install. After I install, PixieBot will analyze my repository to find problems to fix. And now PixieBot also integrates with Sonar to fix issues that Sonar finds. If your repository is public, then PixieBot retrieves the public issues from sonarcloud.io and fixes them without any further steps. But if your repository is private, then I'll show you how to share your private Sonar issues with PixieBot. We will add a GitHub action workflow to the repository that sends Sonar issues to PixieBot. We'll simply copy the example workflow from the documentation, download that, come back to our repository, and add the workflow. The workflow is generic, so we don't need to make any changes to it. We simply need to add this new workflow and then add a secret with our Sonar token. Of course, we retrieve our Sonar token from Sonar, security, generate a new token, copy the token over to our repository's settings. We see secrets, actions, repository secrets. We need to name it Sonar token and add the secret. What this workflow does is it runs each time that Sonar analyzes your repository and finds new results. It copies those results using the Sonar token we just configured and sends them to PixieBot. When PixieBot receives Sonar issues, it begins to fix them. We can see that this Sonar issue has been fixed by PixieBot. PixieBot PRs are easy to review because they fix one rule at a time. In this case, the rule only triggered on one file, so it's even simpler. We can merge this, and now the issue is fixed. The PixieBot activity dashboard shows the next PRs that PixieBot will send. To avoid distracting your team, PixieBot sends a PR for one rule each week. If instead of waiting, you want the next fix right now, you can simply ask PixieBot for it using the PixieBot next command. As you merge each PR that PixieBot sends, you will watch your Sonar issue count drop. We are adding new fixes to PixieBot every week. Install PixieBot today to see which security, performance, and quality issues it will fix in your repository.